and Mino quasi national park. Oh, I just scared off some monkeys. Oh my God. Yes, I just scared a monkey by talking. He wasn't expecting me to be talking up here. I just walked through some ferns. I think I'm the only one who's used this trail in a long, long time. I don't know if you can I zoom in with this? No, I can't. But, oops. But there's a monkey down there by that tree. Really far down there. I doubt it's going to come up in this video. Like one of those snow macaques. Macaques. But this is a really, really cool trail. I'm glad I took a little detour and decided to come on this. Oh, like I was going to say, I don't know why they call this a quasi-national park, but I think it's well deserving of national park status, to be honest. This is a beautiful place. These buzzing sounds that I'm hearing, the last one was definitely a cicada, so I'm happy that it's just cicada. I saw a couple dragonfly and damselflies, so no hornets or bees, thankfully. But yeah, like I was saying, if this is a quasi-national park, I cannot wait to see how beautiful their national parks are. I think this is just straight up national park status. They should just drop the quasi. This place is gorgeous. This little metal bridge here. So this trail should take us to the visitor center, and then that visitor center should be really adjacent to the trail loop that we were using yesterday. Ooh, that bridge is a little shaky. I can feel it flexing underneath my feet, and for a steel bridge like that, that's a little scary. Oh, I'm just taking real careful steps when I need to. I hear some running water. It's a good sign. Tells us we're getting closer to that waterfall trail, at least a little closer.